Next, we're gonna partition the data, and for this example, we're gonna do things a little differently. We're gonna do a 50-50 split. That is a 50% training, 50% validation. So we're gonna set a seed of 13, and let's do the training index using the sample function. So we want to have 1 to the number of observations in the fed data, and we want to do a 50% split. So that is 50% to be assigned to training and 50% to validation. So this is the index trained. So we are going to say training is equal to vet data, and use subsetting to just select those variables, those observations on the training, and then we're gonna say validation valid vet data minus this index to select the validation data set. So in total we have 4,843 observations to be on the training set, and 4,843 on the validation data set. So ideally, like I mentioned in class, we want to check the proportions of each, at least for the response variable on both the training and the validation, to make sure that we have at least comparable percentages, and this should not be a big issue if you have enough observations. But if you're doing something with a limited number of observations, you should always check that. And we can see that we roughly have 50% assigned, 50% of no's and yeses, which is pretty close to the original data set.